Hello guys, welcome to Geek. Today we are going to learn VLookUp function and usage of VLookUp in MS Excel. If you have already not subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. VLookUp is basically a query-based function which is used to filter the specific data according to any specific value in table or Excel sheet. Suppose I have sample sheet, sales sheet for learning. The first one is ID, then name, items, quantity which is sold out, price per item and total amount which is in sales sheet. So this is small table. The first one is ID. I want to search the all values for this ID. I want to search 10489 ID to see the quantity and total amount of this value. First we will learn what is VLookUp function. First one is VLookUp, then lookup value. You need any specific value which you want to identify the values which you want to search out, the ID. And this ID must be at the column number 1. This is ID. We want to search according to this specific ID, the lookup value. Then we have lookup arrays in specific table or sheet which you want to look up. This is the whole table is lookup arrays. Then column index number, the specific column which you want to filter, which you want to search out the first value. I want to see the quantity of this ID and this one is quantity. The column index number, the number of this specific column. Then range, either you want exact search or similar search. This is the option for this value. So we will see the usage of this function, then you will understand what is VLookUp and the usage of VLookUp. Equal sign, VLookUp function, this one, click on it. The first highlighted value is lookup value, the specific ID or value which you want to search out according to that ID. The first lookup value is this ID. Click on it. The address has been inserted, then comma, then next highlighted value is table arrays. The columns are arrays of this table, so I want simply select the whole table because I want to search in whole table. Then comma, then column index number, the specific column which you want to pop out, which you want to search out. The quantity, I want to see the quantity of this ID, so the quantity is at number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The quantity is at 4 number. Simply type here the index, the fourth, then comma. Then two options are if approximately matching for this value or false for exact matching. I will select false for exact match. I want exact match of this ID. Then bracket close, hit enter. 5. So the 10489 have the sale quantity is 5. Again we are retyping for next value VLookUp function, sorry, not selected. VLookUp, then the lookup value. I want to see this ID, the values of this ID, select this ID, then comma, again the table array, the whole table of which you want to search in. This is table arrays, then comma, then the is column index number, the number of this column, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Simply type 4. Then true for approximately matching and false for exact match. I will see exact match. Hit enter and the value is 7. Simply click, drag and this will be inserted. In this way you can query from any table to search the values of or quantity of these IDs. Now I want to see the quantity as well as total amount. Just simply bracket close, then VLookUp function again for amount. VLookUp, I want to look the amount of this ID number, lookup value, then comma, the array, select the array table, then comma, then the index. Now the index will be changed. Total amount index number is, again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Type here 6 because we want to see the amount of this ID, the sales amount of this specific ID, comma, and exact match. I want exact match because this is sales matter, bracket close and enter. So this ID 10489 have sold $625. In this way I can drag and see the sales amount of these IDs. Suppose 10876, this one, this is the sale quantity is 42 and the amount, the sales amount is $1005. In this way you can use and look up from any indexes, from any table or sheets, the any value. Thanks guys for watching and learning.